Have you ever asked Google, what's a good movie to watch, and gotten back a list of random, popular movies that don't really help? You type, you get links, you click, you read. It can feel like a chore. But what if you could just have a conversation? What if you could ask a question the same way you'd ask a knowledgeable friend and get a personalized, helpful answer right back? That's the power of AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. And in this video, I'm going to show you the one simple mindset shift you need to start getting amazing answers. In this video, you will learn the key difference between a Google search and an AI chat, how to form your first perfect question using simple building blocks, 3 pro tips to instantly get better, more useful answers, and most importantly, how to think like a conversational partner, not a search engine. Stick around, and you'll never look at asking a question the same way again. Section 1. Google versus AI. What's the difference? Let's start with the basics. What's the actual difference? Think of Google as the world's most powerful index. You give it keywords, and its job is to find the most relevant web pages that contain those words. For example, you type weather today. Google's job is to give you links to websites that can tell you the weather. It's a tool for finding information. Now, think of an AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Google Gemini as a super smart, super fast research assistant. You don't just give it keywords. You have a conversation with it. You can ask it, can you suggest a light jacket to wear in this 60-degree, slightly breezy weather? See the difference? The first is a command for links. The second is a request for synthesis, opinion, and personalized advice. The AI doesn't just find a page. It understands your situation and creates a new, custom answer just for you. This is the core mindset shift. Stop thinking in keywords. Start thinking in conversational questions. Section 2. Your first question, the building blocks. So, how do you ask your first great question? It's easier than you think. Let's break it down into 3 simple building blocks. Building block 1. Start with a goal. What do you actually want? An idea? An explanation? A list? Be clear in your own mind first. Instead of the Google search, easy pasta recipes, your goal might be, I want a quick, healthy dinner idea that uses chicken and broccoli. Building block 2. Add context. This is the magic ingredient. Context is the extra information that helps the AI help you. Let's add context to our dinner idea. Who is it for? I'm cooking for 2 adults. What are your constraints? I only have 30 minutes. What do you like or dislike? We do not like food that is too spicy. See how much richer that is? Building block 3. Be specific about the format. How do you want the answer? A simple paragraph? A bulleted list? Steps? Now let's put it all together. Google search, easy pasta recipe. AI chat question. Hey, can you suggest a quick and healthy pasta recipe for 2 people? We have chicken and broccoli in the fridge, and we only have about 30 minutes to cook. Please provide the ingredients list and simple steps. Section 3. Pro tips and tricks for better answers. All right, you've got the basics. Now, let's level up with 3 pro tips that will make your AI experience 10 times better. Tip number 1. Talk to it like a friend, but a smart one. Use words like I, me, my. Don't be afraid to be casual. You can say, I'm feeling really overwhelmed with my work schedule. Can you help me brainstorm some ways to stay organized? Tip number 2. Don't be shy. Provide more context. The more you give, the more you get. Let's try another example. Basic question, explain gravity. Awesome question. Can you explain gravity to me like I'm a 10-year-old? Use a simple analogy like why things fall to the ground instead of floating away. See how the second question guides the AI to the exact kind of answer you want. You're the director of this conversation. Tip number 3. They act as hack. This is a game changer. You can ask the AI to pretend to be an expert. This forces it to think from a specific perspective. Try prompts like, act as a friendly fitness coach and create a simple 15-minute at-home workout for a beginner. Act as a seasoned financial advisor and explain what a Roth IRA is. Act as a creative storyteller and help me come up with a character for a fantasy novel. This one trick unlocks thousands of different expert roles for you instantly. Remember, if you don't get the answer you like the first time, that's okay. You can always follow up. Say things like, "Can you make that simpler?" or "Give me more options." That's the beauty of a conversation. Conclusion and recap. And there you have it. You are now ready to have your first real conversation with an AI. Let's do a quick recap of what you've learned. The core mindset: shift from keyword searching on Google to conversational questioning with AI. The 3 building blocks: start with a goal, add rich context, and be specific about the format. Pro tips: talk to it like a friend, provide tons of context, and use the powerful act as hack to get expert-level advice. How to think like a conversational partner, not a search engine. This might feel a little strange at first, but I promise, the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. You are learning a new superpower. The digital world is changing, and you're now right at the forefront. This is just the beginning. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple, beginner-friendly guides to the tech that is shaping our world. I have a question for you. What's the first conversational question you're going to ask an AI? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.